Most people think crypto is just Bitcoin. They have no idea that there are thousands of other coins out there. Some of them have made ordinary people millionaires. Some of them have wiped out entire life savings overnight. So before you buy any coin beyond Bitcoin, you need to watch this video. Because what you are about to learn could save you a lot of money and help you make even more. Here's what happens to most beginners. They see a coin trending on social media. Everyone is talking about it. The price is going up fast. They jump in without understanding what it is or what it does. Then the price crashes. They panic sell at a loss. And they blame crypto. But the real problem was never crypto. The real problem was buying something they did not understand. That ends today. The word altcoin simply means alternative coin. Any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin is called an altcoin. That is it. Simple. When Bitcoin was created in 2009, it was the only cryptocurrency in existence. Then developers started asking a very important question. If we can create one digital currency, what else can we build on this technology? And that question opened the door to thousands of new projects. Today there are over 20,000 different cryptocurrencies in existence. Each one was built for a specific purpose. Some are trying to improve on Bitcoin. Some are building entire financial systems. Some are powering gaming worlds. Some are connecting blockchains together. The variety is enormous. Let me walk you through the most important ones you need to know. First, Ethereum. This is the most important altcoin by far. Ethereum did something Bitcoin never did. It made the blockchain programmable. Developers can build applications directly on Ethereum. These are called smart contracts and decentralized apps. Think of Ethereum as the app store of crypto. Almost every major crypto project is built on or connected to Ethereum. Second, BNB. This is the coin of Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. BNB is used to pay fees on the Binance platform and its own blockchain. It has grown massively because of how popular Binance is. Third, Solana. Solana is known for being extremely fast and cheap. Where Ethereum can sometimes be slow and expensive, Solana processes thousands of transactions per second at very low cost. Many new projects are choosing to build on Solana. Fourth, XRP. Created by Ripple, XRP is focused specifically on fast international money transfers. Banks and financial institutions use it to send money across borders in seconds instead of days. These are just 4 examples. There are hundreds of legitimate altcoins, each solving real problems in the world. Think of it this way. Bitcoin is like the first smartphone ever made. It was revolutionary. It changed everything. But then other companies came along and built their own smartphones, each with different features. Some had better cameras. Some had longer battery life. Some were cheaper. Some were faster. Altcoins are exactly like that. Bitcoin opened the door. Altcoins walked through it and built something new, so here is what you just learned. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. There are over 20,000 of them in existence. Each one was built for a specific purpose. The most important ones right now are Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and XRP. Some altcoins have created enormous wealth. Others have gone to zero. That is exactly why education comes before investment. Always. Now you know what altcoins are and which ones matter. But here is the thing, not all altcoins are created equal. In the next video we talk about meme coins. The most exciting and most dangerous type of crypto that exists. You need to understand them before you ever touch one. Subscribe right now so you do not miss it. And drop a comment below. Which altcoin have you heard of the most? Let me know. See you in the next class.